Hey, oh, it's your girl. It's time for another video, Like, comment, share, sub for other videos. Hey, my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Formosa Fantasy, and welcome to another video. So, I'm just starting off with my hair, and I am just brushing it, detangling it, everything all at once so that we can put it in a high ponytail. It's almost time for wash day, so I'm gonna be filming that for you guys. So yeah. So now I'm just pushing my hair all the way up, and then I'm going to be securing it with a hair tie. Yeah, and I'm just going to be wrapping the hair tie around 2 or 3 times because we don't want it too tight because this is just the prepping of it. So I'll be putting the end part of my hair in a twist. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my Super Wool Gel and I am just putting that all over the base of my hair, and then I'm going to be brushing it with a soft brush, okay, because we want all those flyaways to be gone. Yeah, so now this is where we're gonna put everything together again and secure it with another hair tie, and then we will be removing the first hair tie from the hair. All right, so now I'm going to be taking my brush again and then just giving it one last brush on the base. All right, now I'm taking a donut. Um, you can make these from a sock. You don't have to have the same one that I have. I put it around the hair, and then I'm just making sure that the end of the hair is evenly distributed all around it. Now I'm taking an elastic band and I'm putting it right over it and making sure that the elastic band goes underneath that donut as well. All right, so that's what it's looking like. So now I'm going to be taking the front section of the leave out, and I'm going to be putting it into two, and I'm going to be braiding it down. All right, so that's it right there, and I'm braiding it down. I did not braid the beginning of it too tight. Yeah, but of course I had to get my elastic band broken. There it is. So I'm going to be finishing this braid, and I'm going to be putting another elastic band over it, and I'm going to be wrapping it around it twice this time, and that would be it. So now I'm going to be doing the rest of the leave out in some braids. All right, so I'm going to be putting like 3 more braids around this donut or bun, whatever you guys want to call it. So now all that's done, I'm just playing with the front section, trying to see how I would want it and stuff like that. I decided to wrap the 2 front ones in somewhat like a bow. So I just put it inside of where the base was, and then I secured it with a bobby pin. That's all I did. I just wrapped it around in itself, secure it with a bobby pin, and then fluff out the beginning of that braid. Okay, and then what I'm going to be doing with the other braids, I'm going to be wrapping the extreme back one around the bun, securing it with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to be like giving the 2 end ones like a slight fold and then securing it, and I'm going to be tucking the ends underneath that first braid that we did before. And then I'm going to be also putting like an accessory. Actually, this was an earring. It was a butterfly earring, but you know, yeah. So I had placed that bandana on the base of my head just to hold on everything, and I wanted some more fluff, so I'm just pulling it out And I'm going to be brushing it out and then putting it in some twist and rewrap it how I did it before. And yeah, and then I'm going to be putting another accessory in my hair. So that's what I'm doing. I'm twisting it, putting it there, wrapping it, putting it there, securing it, and then fluffing out the base. And yeah. I know my baby hairs are whack, y'all, but I try to do some baby hairs. Doing baby hairs on my hair is a bit difficult because my hair does not stay for nothing. Nothing. So comment down below and tell me which edge control you use. And of course, my baby came to give me some love and some hugs. Tell me which edge control that you use so I can try it because I've tried almost most of them, even jams. So this is the end of it. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. Until next time, bye beauties.